Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of things that I found for free on printables that I thought that you guys might enjoy. I was thinking about maybe doing something like this once a month to maybe show cool things that I find on printables, except for if there's a holiday like Christmas or whatever, then I could do a special Christmas themed free 3D prints. If that's something that you guys are interested in, make sure you get subscribed to the channel. I'll kind of mix that in with my other content. I've got a lot of cool things planned for the channel. So without further ado, let's jump right on into the video. I forgot to mention that the link for all of these will be down in the description of the video. If you're interested, you can go ahead and grab them there. First one I have for you is these Allen key handles by Olliemark. They are 3-part Allen key handles to make your Allen keys be more ergonomic when building or repairing 3D printers. I just made one of them to kind of test it out, but he does have all different sizes that you can make, and they do have end caps with the sizes on them, so you can tell them apart easily. All right, the next thing I have for you is this belt tension tester by John Hodgin. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. It's super easy. You just put this on your belt, and it will display if it's too tight, it'll display past the red. If it's too loose, it'll display past the green. And then you can simply just adjust it to get the perfect belt tension. Next up are these super easy filament clips with screws. There's a bunch of filament clips out there on printables for free, but these ones are by far my favorite. I've tried a couple of different ones. These are by Kim Frames. They are 1.75 millimeter filament clip with the screw, and you just simply latch it to the edge of your spool, and then you feed through the filament and tighten it down. There's not much else to say about these. These are just really good filament clips that I would recommend you try if you're looking for something to hold your filament from unwinding. The next two prints kind of go hand in hand together. The first one that we've got is the holder for paint bottles by Mish. These hold the 34 millimeter paint bottles, as all of us probably have a bunch of them laying around. You can just screw this directly into the wall. You can print multiple of them depending on how many paint bottles you have. Super easy and super handy for keeping all of your paints organized. Along with that, we have these small paint mixer trays. These are small modeling paint mixing trays with a brush holder. So I don't know if you're like me, but I usually end up using one of the wife's dinner glasses, and then she gets mad at me because it's got acrylic paint all inside of it. But if you are looking for something to mix your paints in, check out this small painting mixer tray by Peter Martin. Next up is the Parametric accessory drawer. If you have an Ender 3, this is super handy. The Ender 3 already comes with one drawer, but why not have two drawers? This drawer will hold your nozzles and your SD cards. It fits right inside of the metal extrusion of the 3D printer. You just pull off the end cap and this slides right in like a drawer. This is by Purple Hand, the drawer that hides inside a 4040 extrusion and holds nozzles and memory cards. Last thing I have for you today is a super handy Dina Drive Box. I made actually 3 or 4 of these dry boxes, and you just make them out of cereal containers. I think they were like $10 for 4 or $20 for 4. And then you print the spools. You're going to need some bearings to put in there as well for the rollers on the bottom. But these keep your filament from drying out. You can put some desiccant packs in the bottom to keep the filament dry, and then everything is nice and tight and sealed, so it will make your filament last a lot longer. I think I had 4 boxes ready to go in maybe 2 hours putting them all together. So if you're looking for something to keep your filament dry, these are a really good option. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for future free 3D prints, let me know down in the comment of the video. If you didn't like something about this video, obviously it's the first one of these, so I don't really know like if I'm going to change the format or something like that. Let me know if you have any critiques as well down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more of these, make sure you get subscribed to the channel. Also, if you could leave me a like on the video, I would really appreciate it. It really helps the algorithm. I'm a super small channel. I'm still trying to get established, so any love is helpful. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.